Welcome again to Rough Diamond Recipes. Today's recipe is apple and blackberry clafoutis, if I'm saying that right. As normal, a full list of ingredients can be found in the description box below. Clafoutis? What sort of name is that for a dessert? It sounds like something your daughter's hamster would catch. Well, regardless of its name, it's very tasty. This is how you cook it. First, melt the butter in a suitably sized pan and add the apples and saute off for a minute or two until they just start to soften. Then add the blackberries and mix through and continue to cook for a minute. Then remove from the heat and set aside. Next, you prepare a suitably sized oven-proof dish. To do this, simply grease well the inside, add 2 tablespoons of caster sugar and turn the caster sugar around until it coats the inside of the dish, as you see here. Next, we prepare the batter mix. Place the eggs, 45 grams of caster sugar and the vanilla in a bowl and thoroughly whisk together. When this is done, add the flour, milk and cream and again whisk in well. Then you're ready to assemble the dish. And to do this, simply lay the apple and blackberry mixture in the bottom of the oven-proof dish, pour over the batter. When this is done, it's off to 180 degrees C oven for 30 minutes. And there you have it, apple and blackberry clafoutis. Hope you enjoyed this recipe. Feel free to subscribe, share and like, and hopefully we'll see you soon again on the next one. Bye for now. I still think it's a stupid name for a dessert.